This is the fourth explanation of the same chapter, study of weather. My memory was full. Now I have emptied it. We will study the next topic, periodic winds. These winds blow in a different direction during a particular period only, either during the day, night, or during the summer. Winter season, land and sea breezes, and the monsoons are examples of periodic winds. They are caused due to difference in the rate of heating of land and water. While the land and sea breezes blow for just a few hours, monsoons are seasonal winds that blow for a few months. This topic I have explained. Now we are going to see what variable winds are there. These winds affect only a small area and last for only a few days. They vary in time, speed, and area, and are therefore rightly called variable winds. Cyclones and anticyclones are the best examples of variable winds. What are variable winds? These winds affect only a small area. They affect only a small area but do great loss of humans and humanity. Affect only small areas and last for only a few days. They vary in time, speed, and area, and are therefore rightly called variable winds. Cyclones and anticyclones are the best examples of variable winds. इसमें हवा तेज़ होती है. साइक्लोनिक एयर जो है तकरीबन सबसे ख़तरनाक साइक्लोनिक विंड 320 किलोमीटर प्रति घंटे की रफ्तार से बहती हवा और तेज़ बारिश, जिसकी वजह से जिस इलाके में साइक्लोन आता है, जहाँ से गुज़रता है, वो बड़ा ख़तरनाक होता है वो. और जैसे जैसे साइक्लोन घूमता है वो ख़तरनाक होता चला जाता है और बड़ा नुकसान पहुँचाता है, जान माल दोनों का नुकसान. Local winds. These winds blow for a short period of time over a very small area. Some local winds like Lu, Simoom, Chinook, and Fohem are warm winds. Others such as Bora, Mistral, Buran, and Pampero are cold winds. What we know and very familiar in this example, it is a warm wind, Lu. We have felt that in summer season. Cloud cover and sunshine. Cloud cover plays an important role in the weather at a place. It not only reduces the amount of insolation but also reduces the amount of radiation from the surface of the earth escaping into space. Thus, cloud cover helps in trapping heat near the surface of the earth that makes the earth more warmer. You must have noticed that cloudy days are warmer than cloudless days. Very true. The situation is today, this season, monsoon season, the situation is same. Clouds are there, it is not raining, but this cloud cover, due to this cloud cover, the area is more hotter, more warmer, and we can feel the humidity. Thus, cloud cover helps in trapping heat near the surface of the earth. The heat is trapped near the surface of the earth. Those children who live in Shahganj, they will be understanding what actually heat is. You must have noticed that cloudy days are warmer than cloudless days. Some clouds are also cause rainfall. Cloudless skies indicate fair weather. आसमान साफ है तो मौसम अच्छा है, अगर बादल है तो मौसम गर्म होना है, और अगर पानी नहीं बरसा तो और ख़राब हालात होते हैं. The cloud cover in the sky is expressed in eighths of the total sky or octaves. This is the figure of octaves. This is the cloud cover. This is known as cloud cover. This is the cloud cover indicated in octaves. For example, how it is measured, I will show you and try to make it understand. For example, this is area, some area. Understand that this is Shahganj. If this is this much dark, it is 2 by 8. That is cloud cover. Half of the portion, this is 4 by 8. The Shahganj is cloud covered. Half of the Shahganj is cloud covered. It is known as 4 by 8. This is 6 by 8. Only one portion is left. Rest of the portion is cloud covered. And this is last one is overcast conditions. Whole Shahganj is covered with cloud. Anyhow, if you show in figure, this cloud cover is known as cloud cover indicated in octas. These are known as octas. So last paragraph, the cloud cover in the sky is expressed in 8 of the total sky or octas, which are shown in weather maps as disks shaded in different proportions. For example, 2/8 is shown by a disk in which a quarter is shaded, means quarter part of the any area that is covered with cloud. 4/8 is shown by a disk half shaded, means that particular area is half covered with cloud. 4/8. 6/8 is shown by a 3/4 shaded disk, and this is 6/8, means this 3/4 area is covered with cloud. And the last one is 8/8 is shown by a completely shaded disk indicating overcast condition. This is overcast condition. Whole area is covered with cloud. This is known as overcast conditions. This was the chapter, children, and cloud cover indicates in octas. I have given you the exercises, I have given you the question answers. Hope you have completed, and tomorrow I will check the copy. Please, I'll inform how and what to send to me on my personal number for checking the copies. Thank you. Have a nice day ahead.